Alright guys, it's been a long time that I haven't done anything about a Ruckus, and I decided to change up the color. Instead of spray painting or anything like that, I went with powder coat, which my brother does powder coat, and that's how it looks. Come on, focus. Yeah, it's candy apple red. It looks better in the sun. Well, it looks better in person than videos or pictures. Yeah, so I'll have to put it all together. There's the engine I'm gonna run. Just did a 171 kit on there, the Tata, and there's my old engine. And I'm gonna go ahead and put her all together. Just gotta kind of grind down these areas so I can get good ground to the rear frame, and then the bottom side here too, because my brother forgot to clean it off before you powder coat it, so it's not biggie. Get that done, and yeah, let's get it started. Now here's the Ruckus. Everything's on from the rear. It's bolted in, and the thing I need to do is put the front end on, which I put all these brackets back on. Still need to tighten them up in there. Put the handlebar. I put the handlebar on. So I need to put the screw in there. I really Loctite everything. And yeah, next probably video whenever I get the front end on. So go ahead. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Well, the Ruckus is finally all put back together, and this is how she looks like. It's my nephew's Ruckus. Been making a harness for that one. It still needs to be painted, but here's mine. It's almost finished. It's running. Got the 171 in there. It's too cold, so I can't really dial it in. So I did a lot of stuff. Actually got a new coil, and got a actual Makuni fuel pump with the old filter on there and a one-way valve. I rubbed it off from a stock Ruckus. 30mm carb. It's that's a knockoff carb, but that's the job. It works. And also ordered a intake manifold, which sits perfect with wet-on mount. I do have a luggage thingy here for my gas tank. My brother's still a powder coat in it, so that one's on hold. And I just made this piece a while ago, so I hold my brake cable, so I won't be flopping everywhere. It's just really sturdy. And let's see what else. Tata starter with the Tata big bore kit 171 in there. I also painted, powder coated the valve cover. Oh yeah, I also got a Ruckus front rim on there. It was wider than my other one, because the Ruckus one is a 12 by 3.5, and my old one is up there. So it's a 12 by 7.5. Also got a Ruckus rear rim. Got that powder coated white for the hell of it. Yeah, it's just the same rims as that one. One thing I did was I added these taillights. Well, custom made it. Ordered the light strip from eBay, and then got the corner lights. They're for motorcycles, like it's for the fronts of the handlebars, but as random as a turn signal so people can see me, because it has turn signals inside here, but I can't really see them good, so I want to make sure people fucking sees me. And let me show you how it works. Okay, and the light's on. There's a light. Here's the brakes. Here's the turns. It's not bad. Now I guess I'm gonna go ahead and crank it up. Oh yeah, inside here, what I did was open this thing up. There's my wires, kind of ugly, but it is what it is. Looks better than before. And yeah, the stairs, the lights, and then made this bracket so everything will stay on there. Then I have 4 relays, but I'm just running 2. Thanks to my brother Cal making this jig for the relays. And yeah, that's how it looks under here. It's a Ruckus seat, that's why it looks a little bit different. And plan to get a seat cover whenever it's inside of the engine bay. Yeah, and I guess I'll crank it up for you guys to see. Yeah, with the high torque starter, it kicks so much better. But I still need to upgrade my battery. My battery's still with the 50cc range battery. So yeah, it's almost complete. Yes, it's almost complete. Still need to paint the valve cover. I'm gonna do the same color as the whole Ruckus. Still need to powder coat the ankle biter. I'm not sure what color I'm gonna go. Yeah, still a lot of things, and later on I plan to get different wheels from machines. It's all chromed out wheels, and I might get this powder coat just clear on it, so extra protection. Yeah, and then the Ruckus will be done. So this be it for the video, and just like and subscribe. That's it for the video.
Subliminal.